Yan o. The guy is fishing, doing fishing. Yeah. It says danger, Victoria Harbor. Hindi tayo nakaabot dun, no? Nakakatakutan mo. Ganda-ganda dun ngayon. Yeah. Next time, iiwan kita niya sa ano. Umupukan ka dyan, ha?
Now they don't have a good.
Ito pa may, ha? He's doing fishing. Ito.
Siya ba yun doon?
No. Sarap sana dun, no? Wow. Pero okay lang. Susundin kita dahil namaya mahilo ka. Magbabamit ka niyan, eh.
Yep.
That is the ship.
Victoria, Canada. Alright. Takot ka tumingin sa both side mo. Mga ganyan ka lang, no? Naka-focus ka lang. Okay. Yeah.
Pag tingin ako dyan, tumingin ako dito. Iba naman.
Ayan, nakahilo ka.
Kasi yung, ano ko yung wave, parang naano yung mata ko.
Oh, why you concerned about the water?
Yung
Ano wave?
kasi nung pagdating mo dito, iba na ang ano.
You have, when you walk, you go straight and look at this, not
Yeah, that's why I
not
just
both
look-
sides.
That's why I just look in the middle.
Wow. Yeah, we'll eat pizza, oh.
Gusto ko kakain.
Yeah.
Siyempre. Paglabag niya kasi parang yung side by side din.
We're almost done walking along the Victoria Harbor.
Tawag nito Victoria Harbor.
Yeah, Victoria Harbor. Oh, one more, oh. Fishing. Kaya mo na yan, Mia.
You could try to make another one.
Ako wala akong kinakatakutan na ngayon, eh. Wala akong kinakatakutan na ganito. Sarap-sarap nga. You don't have to be scared or afraid. Remember the body, soul and spirit. Like that. Yan, nakita ko sa'yo, dito ko lang nakatingin.
Yeah, kasi kung dyan magtinignan
Pa-
po, may loko.
Oo, yeah. Yan ba? Sana sinabi mo na before that I cannot walk there because I have a balance problem. You have to tell me because I don't want you to vomit. Yeah, dahil susuka ka dito eh. Pag nahilo ka, you will, okay, we're done walking along the Victoria Bridge. I have to turn this off and goodbye. Goodbye Canada. See you.